Here's one for the Mustang fans. 2008 Ford Shelby GT500 Mustang. Nice looking car, torch red. A little over 9,000 miles on this one. Spent the majority of its life in Oklahoma before coming to us. Of course, underneath the hood, 5.4 liter dual overhead cam, supercharged 500 horsepower V8 engine. It's paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a close look at the pictures. Extremely clean car. Take a look at the underside. Now, it kind of gets a little bit washed out. There you go. There's the true torch red color. And as far as the bumper and hood, anywhere you typically get your rock chips, it's awful clean. I haven't really noticed much on there at all. You'll notice the deck stripes. Does not have the charcoal or black deck stripes like you see in some of them, which was an option. You could get basically striped elite package. Now you do have the lower GT500 graphics though. Riding on the SVT stock wheels, Brembo brakes up front, of course. You can see it has smoked side glass and rear window. Also has the 3/4 window treatment. If you would like to know about an extended service contract, this may be eligible for that. We do assist with transportation. We also consider trades, and financing is available on our cars. We're going to start it up here in a second. You can hear it run. Does have a Ford or dual Ford racing mufflers on it, I should say. So it's got a little bit of rumble to it. Anything crazy? No, it's nothing obnoxious or crazy loud. Just a nice little bigger rumble coming out of it. And again, check out those underside pics to be able to see that exhaust I'm talking about at uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I have not seen any signs of paint work on this. Looks good. All right, let's take a look at the interior. Stock leather seats. Does have an aftermarket Shelby billet reclining lever for the seat there. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This does have the Shaker 1000 stereo system also. It does come with the signed Carroll Shelby dash plaque, and that also confirms the VIN number of the Shelby on that dash plaque. All right, miles, like I said, little over 9,000. You hear a little of that bark coming out of that exhaust. Close that a second. There you go, 9,674 as far as miles go. Again, Shaker 1000 stereo system, that 6-speed manual transmission. Of course, AC does work. Slip around to the back. Nice low throaty rumble. Alright, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood a second. As you can see, it does have the hood pins, and those are the Shelby GT500 hood pins. Have the logo on them, so let's go ahead and pop that open and let's check out the engine bay. As far as under the hood, stock, the way it would have came from Ford, and again, 500 horsepower, dual overhead cam, supercharged 5.4 liter. One of the signs that you can usually tell a car has not been driven, let me get the, there we go, shade up there. One of the things you can tell as far as a car being driven in inclement weather or not, look how clean that foot liner is. So very clean engine bay. You can tell this is a well-kept, well-taken care of car. Here, how smooth that runs. Nice looking Mustang. One of the ways to keep those hood pins from scratching the car up to is put them down on the grill when you unhook them. They'll slip right in there. There you have it, 2008 Ford Mustang, Shelby GT500. A little over 9,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call and read.